I ain't never had a pot to piss in. Welcome to country living. I'm taking what is given. Fried chicken that's finger licking. I was raised on Pat's Blue Ribbon. Front porch picking and grinning. And as long as I'm here, I'ma drink some beer and keep my country folks chicken. And show the city just what they missing. Cooking greens up in the kitchen, asking us just how we get it. Cornbread with the fixin'. Man, you think we slippin'? Little shine and some fishing. Take your dog running and hog hunting. Scare you like the Dickens. Y'all probably think we talk silly, right? Redneck and hillbilly kind of country's what we really like. Never like that old city life. Up and down and rest at night. Pushes around you every fight. Work daylight till dark and you did it till you get it right.
Yeah, now let your country hang out. Fly a big rebel flag out in front of your house. I said yeah, now let your country hang out. If you proud of where you from and you a son of the South, I said yeah, now let your country hang out. Fly a big rebel flag out in front of your house. I said yeah, now let your country hang out. If you proud of where you from and you a son of the South, I said
I was raised up, South GA, Southern swamp, Southern praise. Don't make fun of my Southern ways. Get down, get loud, drink all day. I'm on my way to my honey hoe. Big cotton mouth and that bunny hoe. Snapjack 40, homemade bite. All I need is you to hold the light. One shot, double out buck. Back in my truck filled up with blood. Tailgate down, big rack shining. DUI, I don't need to be driving. Hold up, law dog, you doing too much. Got a night permit in my old folk truck. I'll lay one down when I want to, buddy. That's the way we get down in the country. Kinfolk way back in the sticks. Whip the shine up 30th, 5th. Paw digging up mason jars. Load the car, then burn the tires. Make a little noise when he get back home. Crank that Hank, that cash, that Jones. Living his life in the country song. In the country he belongs.
Yeah, now let your country hang out. Fly a big rebel flag out in front of your house. I said yeah, now let your country hang out. If you proud of where you from and you a son of the South, I said yeah, now let your country hang out. Fly a big rebel flag out in front of your house. I said yeah, now let your country hang out. If you proud of where you from and you a son of the South, I said yeah, now let your country hang out. Country hang out, country hang out. Yeah, now let your country hang out. Country hang out, yeah. Now let your country hang out. Fly a big rebel flag out in front of your house. I said yeah, now let your country hang out. If you proud of where you from and you a son of the South, I said yeah, now let your country hang out. Fly a big rebel flag out in front of your house. I said yeah, now let your country hang out. If you proud of where you from and you a son of the South, I said yeah.
It's your man's Big Smoke. Hey, yo, Jelly, Lil White, let's tell him how it is. I'm just a country boy, living out on the farm. You know we out on the farm. I got pounds on the other side of town with the crop in the barn. I can smell it all the way over here. Just sipping on shine. You know we sipping on shine. Sipping straight from the jar. We drinking straight from the jar. Law dogs is a hunting us down, cause they know who we are. Yeah, they know who we are. Yeah, see we some Tennessee country boys. It don't get no better, man. We back road moonshine, sipping in my Chevrolet, blowing on that killer hay, hoping I can smoke away every single problem from the day. I won't ever change. Southern by blood in the mud of the USA. Homegrown Southern swag, yep, that's the way I was raised. Hustling to get my pay, moving kush state to state, dodging Johnny Law, cause they trying to give me 5 to 8 underneath the jail, in a cell, but they way too late, cause I'm long gone, out of sight, time to celebrate, touchdown with my fam, out of town, collaborate, Smoke, Lil White and Jelly, good old boy heavyweights, pushing to the limit in this game of life that we play, represent what we stand for in a major way, outlaws living on the edge of an open grave, raise your glasses to the sky and keep it country every day. Boy, yeah, living out on the farm, 32 acres, baby, count 'em. I got pounds on the other side of town with the crop in the the barn. Sure does smell good out here. Just sipping on shine. Best of the best.
Jelly roll.
Sipping straight from the jar. Tell them jelly.
Big Small.
You know what it is. Law dogs is hunting us down. Cause they know who we are. They know who we are.
Jelly roll. This for them country boys, them outlaws and hole in the walls. Lil' White, calm down. You can't drink moonshine through a straw. Yeah, they call me Jelly Roll. Hooked up with my partner Smoke. Ever since the hate goes on, record labels call my phone. See, I wake up every morning and try to find a bag. But before I eat breakfast, got to pop a couple tabs. I still keep it country like a big green tractor. I'm sick of all these mini-me's, just call me Fat Bastard. No reception in the house, call me on my home phone. This throw is that good, but not that Cali, it's that home run. I ain't even tripping, girl, I ain't acting hard. Start a fight with my ex, then get kicked out of the bar. Man, I cannot find my car. Party, where's the cigar? I forget what I was rapping about. I'm higher than a star. I ain't saying that I'm good, I ain't saying that I'm pimping. I'm just saying that I'm like Tiger Woods.
I'm just a country boy. Living out on the farm.
Yeah.
I got pounds on the other side of town with the crop in the barn.
So do. I swear to God he do.
Just sipping on shine.
Oh yeah.
Sipping straight from the jar.
Straight from the jar, baby.
Law dogs is hunting us down. Cause they know who we are.
They ain't gon' find me though. This your boy Lil White, let's go.
Get it. There ain't a day past I ain't into something. From the sticks to the hoods, they say that honky is bumping. From Unionville to Manchester, all the way to Cashville. I'm the original good old boy. Oxys let the cash spill. Pass the shine, Jelly, watch me drink it all from that straw. And when I'm done, I'm gonna even eat the strawberries and all. I'm an alcoholic, don't make me pull out my Xanax bars. I'll get fucked up and do donuts in everybody's car. See, I'm from the Bay, but spend most of my time in the county. Growing up, I got